Good evening, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today is a new day and a new vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen, and today we are getting ready to head out to the pumpkin patch. As y'all know, Halloween season is coming to an end, and we still have yet to go to the pumpkin patch. So yeah, stay tuned.
Oh, you want funnel cake, don't you?
Go inside the pumpkin house.
No, they got a trampoline out here.
The pony ride. This is the stupidest shit I ever did.
This is crazy. I feel like Ace Ventura or something.
Why did I agree?
Hey, man, please do not grab the birds, okay? Do you hear me?
Put it on here, man.
You supposed to be eating the corn, you biting me.
Do it hurt?
Get off. Get off me, you biting me.
It don't hurt? What was that? Oh, it's really good.
You gonna get on it? Yeah? Which one you gonna get on? The little one? Okay.
You were scared?
A little bit. Hi, say hi. Say I'm scared. You don't want to do it? You scared? It's okay. I'll be right here. some goats. Ooh, they so little. Pumpkin shooting. Oh, they launching the pumpkins. Oh, I heard it. Oh, it say apple cannon. They're shooting apples right there.
You're gonna push yourself back.
He's shooting a pumpkin. Oh no, he doing apples.
We say fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole, Johnny.
Grab it tight. 1, 2, 3, fire in the hole and not kill it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Fire in the hole. Do it, Sean. Check it out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. This is the map in case we get lost. Wait a minute.
Oh, well.
Now look at the map. It's gonna say which letter is next.
Keep straight.
Keep straight.
No, you keep straight.
You could go on top of it or you could go over it. You wanna go over it?
I'm gonna go up top of it.
I'm going up this way.
We should take a picture up here. Yeah.
Hi!
Where do we leave at?
Okay, go back down.
Where do we leave at?
This way. You go straight. Where's Daddy go? Come on, Kaya! You coming?
Where's that flying corn?
There's a cornfield, baby.
You gotta grab one off the husk.
If you find one, grab it. You hear me?
See a corn, grab a corn.
See a corn, grab a corn.
Grab a corn, see a corn.
If you see one, you gonna grab it?
Maybe if it's not dirty.
This way.
Let's go this.
Let's see. I don't have a clue where we at. Let's see.
We need to go back.
We doing R, so you gotta keep straight and turn. You see a piece of corn? No?
Stay inside the husk.
You gotta look for them. Come on, I'll find you one.
Got some corn, girl. Wait, what's on Rachel? That one.
Peel the husk off. Let me see. You got a prize? Peel, peel, peel. You got a piece of
Let you eat that because I
corn.
know you like corn.
Pull. Woo, she found her corn. No, don't break it.
That's what they was doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it.
Look at the corn.
I'm gonna keep this
Go.
corn.
It's burning up.
No wonder it's turning to popcorn.
Once 200 years ago, they made a corn pit. Come on, we gotta get out of here. What? I know. Ain't my fault you a female cantaloupe. They got hot dogs. We got about to have all hot dogs.
That can be very quiet.
It's so hot. And I just want to get out of here because I need food. And I'm thirsty. Come on, bud. It's hot. Whew. Okay, you can say hi.
Hi, I'm a goat, and I have a pet bird named Feather.
You have a pet bird?
Yeah,
Do you like her?
yeah, she's really cute. And that's why we're into the bird experience.
Aw. Come on. You ready?
Mom, what does it say? Wait, I'm gonna be on.
Uh-huh. It's not dark. Have you been down yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's echoey.
Oh.
That's just
You gonna go after her, okay? Okay. You want me to go with you? Okay. Lift your arms up. Lean back. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Whee! Okay. See, that wasn't so bad. This is a slide, a little rabbit hole. Kaya, you going again by yourself? Okay. I see you.
Where the heck is Steve?
Who's Steve?
A fish. Water, because if he's in water, he'll drown.
Your fish is gonna drown?
Well, I don't it's just from Goat Simulator.
Off on the pumpkin ride, right? I wish I would have sat over there so I could see.
Oh, you gonna see all sit up and sit in the middle. I ain't got you.
Look at the pumpkin. Look, Mr. Bones. You ready to find a pumpkin? That's okay, I'll wash them. My shoes dirty too. You found one? This is a perfect one, look.
That ain't no perfect pumpkin.
That's not a perfect pumpkin?
That is.
Okay, well let's go look.
Watch out for this pumpkin thing.
Okay. If you pick it, you gotta carry it. Like this one. Dang, it's cracked.
Hey, y'all got a perfect round.
Yeah.
That one right here too. They got big ones here.
Daddy got a big one. That pumpkin gonna be $30.
They say don't say that too loud. Be careful.
Oh, Daddy, look. This one is big and strong.
Look at the one next to it. We going for a regular size pumpkin?
Hey, here's a fat one for you.
Why is it fat?
That's a big one.
Oh, it's perfect.
That is perfect. I need him.
I like this one, look. What you think?
Take a thumbnail picture.
Daddy, get that one, that one, that one, that one.
Hold on, I'm gonna put my foot on it.
Pumpkin.
Okay.
Okay, keep looking. Okay, hold it. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
Alright, can you carry Elijah's pumpkin? Or Lily's pumpkin?
The one Daddy found. Let me see the front. Ooh, you got a juicy one. Can you hold it so I can take your picture? You hit it back, record us, please. See ya. Ooh. That dust got us so filthy. What time is it? You might as well hold it, babe. Oh my God, apple butter. Huh?
We got real honey.
That's okay. Come on.
I can help somebody over here.
Thank you.
Weighs 11.5 pounds.
Oh my God.
How bigger than me when I was 20.
Y'all had to come in this store. Ooh. Famous cider donuts. Oh my God. Y'all, I love apples. trying to leave me. Oh. Kaya, away from me. You scared? Okay, go.
I'm not scared.
Woo. Woo! It's my turn. Here I come. You okay?
Yes, come on. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh my God. Woo.
I'm coming down.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Go.
Go!
Yes.
Set, go.
Wait. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end out this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in with us at Eckert's. Y'all, we have had a blast. Pumpkin picking, we did so much stuff, y'all, and I did not expect the weather to be as nice as it was, but the weather was so nice. We're about to end out this vlog to go get food because we are thirsty, we're hungry, we're dusty, as you can see. Y'all, we did get pumpkins, and probably after this in another video we're gonna paint the pumpkins, but if you're interested in that, keep on watching for that video. And if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.